Now the question before us is how viruses spread. Computer viruses spread through various mechanisms. Here are a few ways that viruses use to propagate. First is email attachments, network vulnerabilities, drive-by downloads, removable storage devices, and social engineering. We will discuss each of these one by one. First is email attachments. Viruses can hide themselves in email attachments. When someone opens the infected email attachment, the virus spreads to their computer system and can even send itself to their contacts, continuing the cycle. Next is network weaknesses. Some viruses exploit security weaknesses in the computer networks to spread from one device to another. They can infect computers that are connected on the same network. For example, like in an office or a home network. Next point is drive-by downloads. Whenever a user visits an infected website or clicks on a malicious link, the virus can automatically download and infect the user's computer system without their knowledge. Removable storage devices can also be the cause for the spread of viruses. Removable storage devices such as USB drives or external hard drives. When an infected USB drive or external hard drive is connected to a computer, the virus can automatically copy itself onto the computer and potentially infect other connected devices. Some viruses rely on social engineering techniques to trick users into executing or downloading infected files. For example, a virus may disguise as a legitimate software update, tempting users to download and execute it. It means that sometimes, whenever we visit, we are scrolling the websites or going through the various websites, there may be some ad that they are offering free software, and many of us may be tempted that the particular organization is giving free download software which is very useful. It may appear to be useful, but actually it may not be useful. And when you download that free software, it is quite possible that it may be having some malicious software in it, and when you download it on your computer system, it can destroy your computer system, or it can cause disruption in your working, or steal or theft your personal information and send it to the attacker who can use it for illegal purposes. It is important to note that effective cybersecurity practices such as using up-to-date antivirus software, regularly applying security patches, exercising caution when we are opening email attachments or when we are downloading anything from the internet, and practicing safe browsing habits can help mitigate the risk of virus infection and spread. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.